Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Chemistry Past Question 11. Group 7 elements are monoatomic, B. good oxidizing agent, C. highly electropositive, and D. electron donors. Now, group 7 elements are also known as the halogens. They are called the halogens. They are called halogens because we refer to them as salt former. Now, basically, these group 7 elements do not occur in free state. They usually occur as salts that is attached to other elements to form salts. So the only way you find them in nature is in combined states, and that shows that this group 7 elements are actually very reactive. They are very reactive. Now, group 7 elements known as halogens are diatomic. They are diatomic molecules or diatomic atoms, in the sense that they do not exist as one atom. Like, for instance, the carbon that exists as one atom, the oxygen that exists as one atom. No, the group 7 elements exist as diatomic atoms. Example is the chlorine, the fluorine. They exist as what? As diatomic. Now, so therefore option A is wrong. Option B here says good oxidizing agent. Now, an oxidizing agent is simply an agent that causes oxidation of other elements. Now, looking at group 7 elements are under group 7 because they have 7 electrons in their outermost shell. Now, it simply means that they require 1 electron to complete the octet structure. So it is easier for these group 7 elements to accept an electron than to donate. So because they accept electrons, we call them what? Good oxidizing agents, since oxidation simply refers to the loss of electron. Now, if they accept an electron from another element or another atom, they therefore cause the oxidation of the other atom. So we refer to them as what? Good oxidizing agents, making option B correct. Option C says highly electropositive. No, group 7 elements are highly electronegative. They are very electronegative, with the most electronegative atom or element to be fluorine. So it's wrong. And this is electron donors. Like I said, they are electron acceptors because they have 7 electrons in their outermost shell and require 1 electron to complete their octet structure. So instead of donating, they actually accept, and by accepting electron, it makes them what? A good oxidizing agent, therefore making option B the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.